फर्ज करिए कि आप ऑफिस जाते हो और आपको फॉलो करते हुए आपके कंपनी के एचआर एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड सिक्योरिटी वाले आपके डेस्क पे आ जाते हैं।
We need you to come to the meeting room with your laptop.
Is everything okay?
आपसे बोला जाता है कि मीटिंग रूम में आ जाओ विथ योर लैपटॉप। फिर आपसे आपका लैपटॉप ले लिया जाता है एंड सारे एक्सेसेस इमीडिएटली रिवोक कर दिया जाता है। ऐसा आजकल अक्सर हो रहा है। हम विश करते हैं कि ऐसा किसी के साथ ना हो रहा है। हम विश करते हैं कि ऐसा किसी के साथ ना हो, बट दिस इज द or it starts with a calendar invite, usually titled Quick Sync or Company Update. You log into the Zoom call and your HR manager is there. Within 3 minutes, your screen goes black. Your corporate access is revoked. You have just been laid off. Sorry to say that. If you are watching this because it just happened to you, take a deep breath. I'm telling you, take a deep breath. Sit back. It is not your fault. The macroeconomic environment in 2026 is brutal, and you are just a number on a spreadsheet to a corporate entity. But right now, panic is your biggest enemy. Trust me, I'm telling you from my personal experience. You have exactly 48 hours to make it. But right now, panic is your biggest enemy. Trust me, I'm telling you from my personal experience. You have exactly 48 hours to make critical decisions that will dictate whether you survive financially or fall into a debt trap. In this video, we are breaking down the ultimate layoff survival playbook. We will cover the immediate legal demands you must make to HR today, right? How to freeze your expenses without ruining your life, how to handle your loans. The moment you are told you are being laid off, your relationship with the company changes from an employee to a negotiator. Do not sign anything out of fear or pressure on day one. Here is what you must audit immediately. First, the severance package. Check your employment contract. Are they giving you a 1 month or 2 month or a 3 months notice pay? If they are asking you to leave immediately, they must pay you for that notice period. Whatever notice period you have officially, they should. Second, the gratuity and leaves. If you have completed 4.5 continuous years at the company, you are legally entitled to gratuity. Check your leave portal. Every single unused privilege leave must be encashed and added to your full and final settlement payout. Third, the paperwork, very important. Do not leave without signed relieving letter and an experience certificate. You will need these to prove your next employer that you were not fired for performance issues, but were part of a corporate downsizing. Download your past 6 months pay slips and your Form 16 immediately before they shut off your company email access. If you have a day or so, or some just a couple of hours. And here is the most dangerous mistake people make: ignoring health insurance. The moment you leave, your corporate health cover vanishes. If a medical emergency hits next week, your savings will be wiped out. Ask HR if you can pay a premium to convert your corporate policy into an individual policy, or go online tonight and buy a basic retail health insurance plan. That's a must. Do not spend. Now let's talk about your money. Most important, we need to calculate your financial runway. Look at your bank accounts, your liquid mutual funds, and your expected severance payout. Add it all up. That is your survival capital. If your runway is less than 6 months, you need to activate what I call the nuclear budget. This is not about saving a few rupees on tea or coffee. This is aggressive financial defense. Step number 1, defense. Step number 1, pause your SIPs. I know every finance guru tells you never to stop your mutual fund investments. They're wrong. When you have no active income, capital preservation should be your only goal. Pause your equity SIP today. You can resume them when you get your next paycheck. Step number 2, cancel the ghosts. वो क्या होता है? your Netflix membership, subscription, gym membership, premium delivery app, cancel them all. They seem small, but combined, they drain thousands of rupees every month. Step number 3, protect your credit score. If you have a credit card outstanding balance, pay them off using your recent payment, the severance payment you receive, or you can plan for it. Credit card interest in India is 40% per year, 40%. It will definitely destroy you. If you have a home loan or a car loan, call your bank manager, explain the situation, and see if you can apply for a 3-month EMI moratorium or restructure the loan to. Well, अब बारी है next job ढूंढने की. All right, your finances are secure. You know exactly how many months you can survive. Now we play the offense. The job market is tough, we know, but companies are still hiring. You just need to change how you look for work. Step number 1, the LinkedIn reset. Do not just put the open to work green banner on your profile, right? Update your headline. Don't write unemployed or looking for opportunities. Write your core skills. For example, senior full stack engineer, React, Node.js, right? Make it searchable. Mention numbers. Mention your, achievements, significant achievements. Step 2, ditch the job board. Sending 500 resume on cold portals gets you nowhere. Just nowhere. AI algorithms filter you out. Instead, find 20 companies you want to work for. Go to LinkedIn, search for managers working in those companies, or hiring manager, or maybe the direct functional manager, and send them a direct, concise message. Here is the exact template you should use. This template is readily available for your download in the description, right? You will have a link where you can download the Excel sheet, Google sheet rather, so that you can use it to send to whoever, your managers, your previous colleagues, whoever you sense suitable, whom you can approach, you can send it, right? Step number 3, monetize your waiting time. Very important. While you wait for interviews, take on freelance work or consulting gigs. Look at platforms like Upwork or something, or just announce on your social network that you are open to short-term consulting. It keeps your skills sharp, fills the resume gap, and brings in cash flow as well. Learn new skills, which is very, very required these days. I want to take a moment to talk about something nobody mentions in such videos. Your mental health, very, very important. A layoff feels like a personal failure. You feel embarrassed to tell your parents, your spouse, or your friends. You feel like you did something wrong. This is the time you listen to me very clearly. Just listen to me. Your job is what you do, it is not who you are. The most successful founders, CEOs, and engineers in the world have been laid off at least once in their career. Do not isolate yourself. Talk to your family. Tell them the truth. अपने experience से बोल रहा हूँ. You will be surprised by how much support you will receive from your family. Trust me. Treat every day like a standard working day. Wake up at 8 a.m., work out, spend 4 hours applying for jobs, upscaling, training, and then log off. Do not spend 16 hours a day staring at your email inbox waiting for a reply from an interviewer. It will burn you out before you even get an interview, a new opportunity. So let's summarize your action plan. Secure your relieving letter and health insurance from HR immediately. Pause your SIP and slash all non-essential expenses to build a 6 months runway, the emergency fund. Fix your LinkedIn headline and target direct managers, referrals instead of cold applying. Believing that in some time you will get back to your normal working life would do the actual magic. Listen to my experience. Keep your head high. This is a temporary setback, not that end of your story. What worked for me was this affirmation, telling yourself every day that I will bounce back and opportunities will come, even if it takes some time. Add some element of spiritual process because you need something to stand on. I wish you all the best for your next hunt. I have dropped a template for the LinkedIn outreach message and a budget tracker sheet in the description below. Completely free. No email sign up required, no subscription required. Go and download it right now. If this video gave you some clarity today, hit the subscribe button, share it with a colleague who might need it, and stay strong, be calm. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to Net Investable. Thank you.